Just the new Digicam. I'm not going to show you all of it. They do T-shirts, they do long sleeve, they do the jacket, and they've just brought out the hoodie. And I love the hoodie. They did the other camo, the English Oak Evo, I like that. And they've done that. Now they've done this with a hoodie, and it's lovely. Different times of the year, this works well, and different times of the year, the other one works well. So, but no, I've really been taken in with this one. It works well. It's nice. You can just see how it blends in here. You've got the dark colours, light colours, the trees, dark colours, light colours. Especially you get more into the winter, leaves tend to come off, and as you can see in the bottom of the wood, there's a lot of dark and bits of light with light leaves and that, and it just blends in so well. It blends in like with the silver birch, so you've got this. It just blends in so well. It's good. I love it. Some people say you don't need camo, but if people can't see you, pigeons and that can't see you, and that's what it's used for. 99% of my shooting is pigeons, and I love it. Absolutely love it.
For me, as predominantly a rifle shooter, it's just great for sort of summertime stalking on open ground, just to break up your outline. If you're trying to approach deer without much natural cover, it just helps you blend in. And the Digicamo is great because it gives that break up to your outline, so it'll just give you a slight advantage over your quarry. The other thing I like about the Digicamo is it doesn't have the military look of some of your other camouflages, like your DPM style camos, and they sometimes have a bad public perception if you're traipsing around the shops and that. So yeah, this is really smart, really effective, and nice, lightweight, easy to move in, quiet as well, which is quite important. And the colour is just a bonus really, that it helps break up your outline.